Hey y'all, it's your girl Kenetra. So today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me today. So this was super impromptu. I was like, I'm already getting ready for a virtual brunch with my mom and my sister, and I was just like, I might as well go ahead and show you guys how I get dressed, especially for my looks for my outfit, because that's something you guys don't usually see off camera. And then also just to do a simple eyeshadow look today. Hopefully it's simple, but we're gonna go in with a smoky eye today, so I'm super excited to show you guys. So might as well tune on in and remember to like, subscribe, and comment as always, y'all. Okay, we are in the closet. So after I moved into this new apartment, y'all, I was able to get a bigger closet, thank the Lord, because literally my closet was less than half this size. So we are here. So let me just show you guys, just bring you in to what I have back here, y'all. And yes, y'all, I already have my edge cap scarf on. I already laid down these edges because I was ready to tune in with y'all. So I already got my edges down. So, okay. Back to the story, what we were talking about. So this is my closet, y'all. This is more of my winter side for right now, even though I got winter stuff far back there in the middle of nowhere. But this is my winter side of stuff. But today we're going to be looking more at all of this gorgeous summer stuff that I have today. So let's see what I actually want to pick out. Let's back it up. Back it up. Okay, let's see what we want to wear. Like I said, I really want to do something simple today. I wasn't really going for anything like too much, especially because I'm wanting to really do like a nice smoky eye. I'm honestly thinking of like a green smoky eye, but I low-key feel like this is gonna be too much green, so we're gonna go ahead and cut that. But that's literally one of my favorite bodysuits from Fashion Nova. Like, ooh, it does you good. Okay, this, shout out to Zara, but I don't know, I feel like this one's just a little too fancy for what I'm trying to do. I don't know, I feel like this is more like a girls night, like out, or like, you know, doing something a little extra. Simple. I don't know, I just think it's a little too baggy, and then I also don't think it's gonna complement like my green little thing that I got planning. Y'all, I'm also like not a big fan of dresses, so yeah, I barely wear dresses. I will wear a romper any day over a dress, so that's probably also gonna cut down what I really feel like wearing. So this yellow romper is definitely an option, y'all. This is like wide leg, so only thing I'm concerned about is like, is the waist gonna look snatched? I haven't had this on in forever, so this is option number one, y'all. Option number one. Let's see what else we can find. This right here, this is like my favorite bodysuit. I have not even worn it yet, but this, I know this is already like my favorite bodysuit. So this says a high quality personality. Like, I feel like I'm already showing that to y'all, so I feel like this should be like number one right here. So we're gonna try this little bodysuit on. I'm thinking maybe like some high waist jeans to look real cute with this, and then this peach top. Okay, Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova come through. Like, when you need a good crop top, Fashion Nova comes through. I don't know, maybe this might be too much for brunch, but low-key I'm kind of feeling it. So actually this might be, yeah, this might be a good runner. I'm also thinking with high waist jeans. Usually like for a brunch, I'm either like in a romper or like a really cute top and high waist jeans. So I think we have 3 good options. Okay, like, so I bought some new jeans, but low-key, it's just like, y'all ever like just buy something and you're just like, dang, like I don't want to wear it, and I just got it in the mail. So I'm not gonna do those jeans today. But for jeans, I'm thinking these are like my good Zara jeans. So these are like high waist, like they feel so good, they're soft and everything. So this might look real cute. We're gonna keep this. As y'all can see, Zara is like my favorite place to shop because these are another pair of my jeans. These ones are actually my mom jeans, ripped and distressed. I feel like for brunch it's gonna look a little too casual, so we're just not gonna go with this one. Even though these are like my favorite because they just fit so good. So I kind of want to wear them, but I don't think they're gonna be something I really think will look cute for brunch. Truth, we're gonna try on those 3 outfits, see what I like best, and then we're gonna jump into this makeup and beat this face, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is outfit number 1. I like it. I like the color combo. I think it looks really good. You know, just a little snatched. However, I think for virtual brunches, just a little too like going outish. So we're just gonna go ahead and try outfit number 2. Like I said, this one is giving me a little too going outish, like I'm trying to go find husband or husband out there. that's not really what I'm trying to go for. So we're gonna try outfit number 2, y'all. Y'all, so this is outfit number 2. I'm liking. It doesn't look as dressy as I want it to be. I think maybe the jeans throw it off. I feel like if I had something else besides these jeans on, which I probably need to go ahead and try to upgrade my closet so it has like less jeans, but we're gonna keep looking. So we still got some other stuff. I found a jumpsuit, so let's keep looking, y'all. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Okay, y'all, I think we have found a winner. But I do have one more jumpsuit, so give me 1 second, y'all. I am so indecisive, but for right now, this is the top choice, y'all. So literally, this is the one. This is the one. This is giving me all types of brunch vibes, y'all. Catch angles. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so yeah, I am definitely going with this. This one is definitely just, it's doing it for me. Showing y'all all the shakes with it. So yeah, virtual brunch, here I come. So I am ready, y'all. Oh, by the way, have y'all listened to that new Mulatto album? I'm still trying to decide if I like it or not. Let me know what y'all think. But if you guys liked a different choice more than this one, let me know in the comments, y'all. So now we're gonna move on to makeup and start beating this face to put everything together, y'all. Okay, y'all, we are gonna first start by filling in these brows. Yeah, I need to touch up on my brows, but we're gonna keep it moving. Right now I'm just going through outlining my brows. My brows are already really thick, so honestly I just kind of outline it just for more uniformity, just so that way it actually like looks filled in and not just scruffy. Y'all, this is probably the fastest I've ever done my brows, because low-key I am already running late. And I'm starting to think I'm already supposed to have brunch made. So since everybody's like in different locations doing the brunch or our virtual brunch, well, I think we're supposed to actually already have it made by the time we get on there. But yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, good thing is, like, I'm known for being late when it comes to lunch, so I'm not, you know, I think I'll be easily forgiven because I'm always expected to be late, especially when it comes to like getting dressed and makeup. So I think I have a pretty good excuse this time. Well, I actually did my brows under 5 minutes. That might be a record time. Definitely a record time. Go in with this Urban Decay primer for my eyes. Now we're gonna do an under eye corrector. Honestly, it's not that I really need an under eye corrector, and this is my Bye Bye under eye. So this one I don't necessarily need it, but it does have like anti-aging stuff under your eye, and I was just like, let's go ahead and get a jump start on making sure these eyes stay looking good. With this Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Prep Priming Spray. So I'm doing this Morphe Dark Magic palette by Jaclyn Hill. This is how it looks, and it has all these beautiful greens. It has a shimmer, it has a matte, and then it also has like a matte light green. So that's what I'm excited for. You guys would like to see how I do this eyeshadow look more in detail, telling you guys exactly how I created this look. Make sure you let me know in the comments, and I will go ahead and make a separate video for you guys to show you how I do this quick smoky eye for this green eyeshadow look for my virtual brunch. Some primer, y'all. This is my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. So this I've been using this a good bit. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite. I think I still gotta find one that I like, but this is the one I'm gonna be using for today, y'all. Just rubbing this in around, pretty much just rubbing this in around my eye so that way it doesn't get all mixed up with my under eye corrector. Also, I'm gonna put some lashes on really quick, y'all. So I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm really bad, like really bad at lashes. Okay, y'all, we are back and I have these lashes on now. And that just made my whole look just pop. Okay, so I'm gonna put primer on. So today, I wasn't planning on showing you guys this, but I'm probably gonna do a separate foundation wear test for this foundation. This is the new Born This Way matte version of their foundation. So I'm excited, and I will be doing this in the color Hazelnut today. But like I said, I will be showing you guys another video on the foundation test. But this is the bottle. It's a longer bottle, but it is still 1 fluid ounce as well, and then still the same pump on it, y'all. So let me show you how this looks, and then we can finish up. So I was moving super quick for this foundation, but I did try a new undertone. So y'all, I'm still getting used to this whole undertone type situation, and I'm kind of liking this one. I feel like it's better because honestly, I'm in between golden and red. Like if I had that, I think this would possibly be the perfect in the middle for me. Like it's covering my forehead really good because my forehead and the outer parts of my face typically are a little darker. So this is actually working out really good. Like just to see how the match of my face and how it's matching like with my chest area down here. My neck is just a little bit darker, so sometimes that can throw you off about how it looks, but ultimately I just want my face to match my chest, and right now it's doing it for me, y'all. This might really be like my go-to summer color, and this thing has dried down. Y'all can see me touching up, but okay, we're gonna do a quick highlight because like I said, y'all, my mom and my sister are gonna get me because I'm super late, but I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox now. It's my Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer, and this is medium dark warm golden. Just gonna go in with just a little bit. I just want a little highlight and a little bit more coverage under my eyes. So we're just gonna do there, there, and something like that up in here, and blend this out. Y'all, this green is just really, I don't know, like I haven't done a green look in so long because I feel like number one, like just finding an outfit that doesn't make this green look so off-putting or weird is always a problem for me because I don't want to be wearing like some random color and then put green on it. But in this case, it's working for me. And then I added just a little bit of like yellow goldish in the corner of my eyes just to kind of help it pop out with a little bit of that yellow I'm gonna have on today with that yellow jumpsuit that I picked out. Ooh, y'all, I am so excited. Oh my god, like this foundation might just be the perfect match, y'all. Just gonna go in with some of my Mented setting powder. Also something I probably need to do a video on because I haven't really talked about it yet, but it's really good. The coverage on this Mented setting powder right here is actually really good, and you don't need a lot. That's what I also had to learn the hard way because, honey, I tried to put on a lot in that thing. I had to do so much fluffing, but it goes on really silky. It's really smooth. You can just see how silky and skin-like it is compared to this side that I haven't done yet, and it is perfect. And it's black owned. We love black owned products. So, okay. Like I said, looks really skin like. But I'm going to go in. Let's do a little contour. Last step to setting this face of mine is going to be this NARS setting powder. Okay, so this is like my all around, all over the face setting powder before I go in and do my set and spray. Obviously NARS is one of my favorite brands to buy for cosmetics. I got the blush. Now we're gonna go in with this Make It Last. And let me just go toss on my outfit while this is drying on my face shot, and then we'll finish up our video for today. Put this Pat McGrath lip gloss on. This is our Carnal Desire. So this is one of their mini collections The end of our video. This is how our look came out, and I'm feeling real ready for my virtual brunch today. So I hope you guys learned something along the way and had just as much fun as I did making this video for you guys. And remember, as always, to keep up with me, y'all. It's Kenetra.